Today at The Daily Eco, we are sharing 10 unusual indoor plants for your home. These plants add character and life to any space. Prayer plant. This plant features geometric patterns with different green shades and red veins. What makes this plant special is how it opens and folds its leaves as light changes throughout the day. It grows best with indirect light, moderate humidity, and soil that stays moist but not soggy. Number 2. Similar to the prayer plant in movement but with its own style, this plant has deep green leaves with pink or white stripes. It also raises its leaves at night in a prayer-like position. This plant thrives in warm, humid indoor spaces, which connects to our next tropical beauty. Number 3. Elephant ear. For those who enjoy bold foliage, this plant offers arrow-shaped leaves in deep green with white or silver veins. Like many tropical plants on our list, it needs bright indirect light and high humidity, but be careful not to overwater. Number 4. Mistletoe Cactus. Moving from floor plants to hanging options, Mistletoe Cactus grows stems up to 1 meter long. While most cacti need dry conditions, this one prefers moderate humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Its small fruits add color and it looks best in hanging pots. Number 5. Water Haworthia. If you have limited space or bright window sills, then water Haworthia might work for you. Often called water succulent or transparent succulent, its rosette leaves look like bubbles that light passes through. It prefers bright indirect light and needs watering only when the soil is completely dry, which is typically every 2 to 3 weeks depending on your home conditions. Number 6. Swiss cheese vine. Another excellent hanging or climbing option is Monstera adansanii, with its oval hold leaves. This adaptable plant grows well on stakes or in hanging pots depending on your space. It requires bright indirect light and moderate watering, much like our next trailing plant. Number 7. String of pearls. Continuing with hanging plants, String of pearls displays round leaves resembling green beads. Its stems cascade down hanging pots, creating vertical interest. Unlike the mistletoe cactus, the succulent needs to dry between waterings, showing how varied hanging plants can be. Number 8. Chinese money plant. Going back to tabletop options, Chinese money plant has round leaves on thin stems, creating an organized pattern. This easy care plant needs just indirect light and moderate watering. Some people keep it for good luck and wealth, adding meaning beyond its appearance. Number 9. Polka Dot Begonia. For those who enjoy patterns, this plant offers green leaves with white dots and red undersides. It pairs well visually with the Pinstripe plant mentioned earlier, as both feature distinct markings. It needs care similar to most indoor plants, indirect light and controlled watering. Number 10. Venus Flytrap. Our final plant differs from all others as it's carnivorous. It catches insects with specialized leaves. For indoor growth, place it near a window with direct sunlight, perhaps with a thin curtain for filtering. Unlike other plants listed, it needs distilled water or rainwater to prevent mineral buildup and requires a nutrient-poor soil mix. So, which of these plants would you add to your collection? Let us know in the comments, and until next time.